If you have issues with Hotspot not working properly on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Here in Settings, we're going to proceed to Connections. Then in here, we're going to go to the Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. And here we can, of course, start by going to Mobile Hotspot. And what you can do is you can, for example, change the band over here. Of course, you have the option to use 6 GHz. As the preference for performance, but as a result, some devices might not be able to work with that, so you might want to switch to 2.4 GHz. Here in Advanced, you can also find, like, for example, the support Wi-Fi 6 standard, which of course can also cause some problems with detecting the network, so you might want to turn it off. Hidden network, of course, as well allows you to hide the network, so it doesn't display on the list of Wi-Fi networks. But as a result, of course, well, it might be more difficult to connect with the network. Once you enable the hotspot, you can also generate a QR code in here at the bottom. So you can scan this QR code, if you can, of course, on another device in order to try to connect with the network without having to search for the network or without having to enter the password. So be sure to check these settings, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.